Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each rooftop cargo bag in this video will offer different options and storage solutions, so it comes down to the size or type that meets your needs or your pocket best. Our specialist team analysed a wide range and made recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for product links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more guides to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. So let's get started. The cargo carrying rooftop bag coming in at number 5 is the MeeFar car roof bag. This roof carrier is made from durable 100% waterproof and tear-proof 700D PVC material, which means your cargo is protected from the weather and it provides 20 cubic feet of extra space, so it's ideal for anyone travelling with their family or adventure seeking. It is easy to install with anti-slip mats and is safe and secure, with 10 built-in strong wide straps plus 6 extra straps to make sure everything stays securely in place, and the 4 digital combination locks make sure all your luggage is secure. The MeeFar car roof bag provides a large storage space of 51 by 40 by 17 inches. It is designed to fit any size car, van and SUV with or without a roof rack to protect all your belongings, plus it's easy to store when not in use. Next on our list is the TOOLGUARDS Roof Cargo Bag. This 15 cubic feet cargo bag is made from top quality military grade material. This is ultra durable as it is 100% waterproof, dust and sand proof and offers UV protection. It's also freeze resistant so you can maximise all your road trips. The clips and straps are double welded to be freeze resistant and for extra security. Blockable zips mean your luggage arrives dry and safe, plus the protective car topper prevents scratches or slipping. The TOOLGUARDS Roof Cargo Bag can be set in 15 minutes and fits any car with or without a roof rack or bars, as it comes with all straps for every kind of installation and a carry bag to store it in your trunk when not in use. The rooftop cargo bag coming in at number 3 is the RoofPax Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. This extra large 19 cubic feet roof bag is easy to install in a few minutes on cars, trucks and SUVs with or without a rack, bars or rails, without damaging the vehicle's door or window seals. The set contains everything you need, such as 10 straps that can shrink to the size of the cargo bag to decrease road noise and improve gas mileage, plus it fits neatly into the storage bag when not in use. The RoofPax Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag has waterproof dual seam technology plus a water repellent UV protection coating and is made from high quality military grade 160/80D PVC material. The RoofBag Rooftop Cargo Carrier is the next roof bag we recommend. This cargo bag needs a roof length of 48 inches or more, as it comes in 2 sizes, 11 or 15 cubic feet, and has an aerodynamic design which will save you fuel, and the mat protects the roof of the vehicle as it prevents shifting so you have a quieter journey. It has strong water repellent straps that are not sewn to the bag but are wide seatbelt style to strap the carrier to the car roof. It's easy to install and works on any car with or without racks. The RoofBag Rooftop Cargo Carrier is made from a single piece of heavy duty, tear resistant military grade 100% waterproof material with triple sealed seams so no exposed stitching, and a no gap zipper so the contents are protected from heat, cold and UV light. Finally, the rooftop cargo carrier that we recommend is the FIVKLEMNZ Car Roof Bag Cargo Carrier. This 15 cubic feet roof bag can resist tears and abrasions, the sun's UV rays, extreme heat or cold, being made from 100% waterproof military grade material. It is designed to fit all cars, trucks or SUV rooftops, increasing the cargo space without affecting passenger comfort, and the set includes a protective anti-slip mat to prevent the luggage from sliding even on a bumpy road, though protecting the paintwork of the vehicle. The FIVKLEMNZ Car Roof Bag Cargo Carriers come in 2 different sizes and are a safe design with 8 reinforced adjustable strips and strong hooks keeping the carrier in place, and it fits even if there are no side rails on your vehicle. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful travelling tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.